Most people think cold outreach is about sending emails. It's not. Sending email is the last step, and most people are starting there. In this video, I'm going to show you what a real cold outreach system looks like. All the pieces in order and why most campaigns fail before the first email ever goes out. A cold email system has 5 layers. 1. The ICP. Who exactly you are targeting, not the industry. A specific type of company, a specific problem, a specific signal that they are ready. Number 2, the lead list. Finding those people using the right filters and qualifying them before you add them into your campaign. Number 3, the infra. Domains, inboxes, warm up. The boring part that kills campaigns if ignored. Number 4, the copy. What you say, how you open, what you ask for. Number 5, the follow-up and the response system. What happens when someone replies? Most people only think about the layer 4, the copy. They obsess over subject lines while their layer 1 and 2 are broken. Cold outreach is not a copy problem. It's almost always a targeting problem.